Hello, my name's Don Fabrio, and today I'm going to be walking through the first few steps of an app I'm working on called the Rails House, which is a tutorial for building Rails apps, but it's got sort of a gaming twist on it. This app came about as part of an idea I had a few months back and a discussion I was having with a friend about a job where programming would sort of meet graphic design. So I wrote out a plan for how this would go. So far, what I'm up to is a lot of imagery and front-end interactive JavaScript type stuff because I started focusing on that design element first. So I have a packet here that explains really what the app is, but this particular demo is going to be more about what it looks like right now. So fire it up on my local machine here, and we start with a splash animation. And basically the concept here is that the user finds themselves in this house, sort of a mystery type of thing of what's going on. You see the lights flashing because of the train passing by, and you see what might be a silhouette there, and then there's nobody there. You sort of have to explore. Little fun stuff going on here. I got this, if you hover over the train, the lights turn on. I'll probably turn this into a link to a sign-in page. I don't really have a whole lot of the back end wired up yet, so there are no users really per se. So when I click this, it just really goes to the first page, which is the front door of this house. Some of the fun stuff that goes on here, click on this note, note slides in, sets up the story a little bit. You can check out this package here. Anything that you can interact with pretty much highlights. So on a hover. So click on the package, get another page here. I want to pick up the laptop, and we find a key under there, which is actually mentioned in that note that we just passed. Once you pick up the key, now in the future what's going to happen is when you click on this key, the user will have it saved to their profile that they have that key, which will make this door accessible. I haven't wired that up yet, so basically I'm actually just using a JavaScript global variable to say, it's true now. It gets set to true when you click on that key, and you can enter through this door. Now we're in the foyer here. I'm trying to use some artwork that's sort of like this Art Deco train station feeling here. And obviously when you click here, something's going to happen. Obviously the doors are obvious places to hover and check. Now these doors are locked because you haven't passed the tests yet. I need to quiet that sound effect down a little bit, but I just wanted to show some of the interactive stuff going on. So when you click here, it's going to open up a computer screen for you, and this is where the tutorial is really going to take place. There's going to be multiple screens explaining how Rails works, and since we're in the entryway of the house, it would be about Rails new and entering into creating a new app, and so it goes from there. Obviously, it's not set up yet, but once you completed whatever this task is, you're going to get the key to the basement, which is over here, and the basement will represent the database. The foundation of an app, and you'd go through some rooms there that would also have tutorials and games or challenges as gateways to the next room. So that's all I have so far right now, but I thought that it's looking pretty good, so I thought I'd make a video. Thank you for your time.